Hi everyone, I'm Samarthya and she's Pritika. So today we'll be learning the full yogic breath. So let's get started. A lot of times we take our breath for granted. In fact, we don't realize its importance until we face congestion, shortness of breath, stress or anxiety. So in today's video, we'll be learning the full yogic breath, which is another effective technique to actually breathe well and to breathe right. So full yogic breath is also known as the three-part breath because it targets three different sections of our body, three different sections of the torso, and it also engages the three lobes of the lungs, all the three lobes of the lungs. Now the full yogic breath increases the capacity of your lungs. It also calms down the nervous system and relaxes your mind. And in fact, it gives you more time for the exchange of gases between the lungs and the bloodstream. So in case of full yogic breath, it is basically an integration of the diaphragmatic breathing, thoracic breathing and the clavicular breathing. We have already made the three different videos for three different types of breathing exercises on our YouTube channel. And in fact, if you haven't watched the videos yet, we would request you to please go through those videos before actually learning how to do the full yogic breath. So let's get started with the demonstration. So before we begin with the demonstration part, you have to remember when you are inhaling in, you have to first fill up your abdomen and then the chest and then the clavicular or the collarbone. And when you breathe out, you have to come in one sequence, that is from the clavicular to the thoracic to your abdomen or belly. So we will start with the demonstration now. So let's sit comfortably and easily. Keep your spine straight, sit tall. You may rest your palms on your thighs and slowly close your eyes. Become aware of your breath and the body. Now for the full yogic breath, let's place the right palm on our tummy and the left palm goes onto our chest. We are doing this so that we keep a check on the movement of different parts of our body when we are doing the diaphragmatic, thoracic or the clavicular breathing. So for the full yogic breath, let's take a long and deep breath in. Expand your abdomen. Once it is full, expand the chest. Moving on to the clavicular, expand the collarbone. And as you exhale, first the clavicular, then the thoracic, and then your abdomen. And slowly and gently place your palms back onto your thighs. And you may gently open up your eyes. So this was all about the full yogic breath. It has to be continuous and smooth. Of course, it requires a bit of practice. So what you can do is to practice for at least 15 minutes thrice a day. And if you have any questions of any sort, whether it's related to life, spirituality, fitness, health, yoga, we are always there with you. And in fact, you can even write down your queries or questions in the comment section and we'll surely answer them. And please don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Namaste.